5 steps to researching a stock trade before investing wants to know, which are 5 steps you need to research before stock trading. Then watch this video until the end. Once you determine which business cycle the economy is currently in, you can start researching for a trade. It is best to have a system in place that will be used before each trade. Here is a simple 5-step formula to help get you started. 5 steps to investing online. 1. Find a stock. This is the most obvious and most difficult step in stock trading. With well over 10,000 stocks to trade, a good rule of thumb to consider is a time of the year. For example, it is the beginning of spring as I write this. It would make sense to consider stocks that traditionally make runs or slide if you are bearish during this time of year. 2. Fundamental analysis. Many short-term traders may disagree with the need to do any fundamental analysis. However, knowing the chart patterns from the past and the news regarding the stock is relevant. An example would be earnings season. If you are planning, caution could be in order on playing a stock to the upside that has missed its earnings target the last 3 quarters. 3. Technical analysis. This is the part where indicators come in. Stochastics, the MACD, volume, moving averages, RSI, CCI, support levels, resistance levels, and all the rest. The batch of indicators you choose, whether lagging or leading, may depend on where you get your education. Keep it simple when starting. Using too many indicators initially is a ticket to the land of big losses. Get very comfortable using 1 or 2 indicators first. Learn their intricacies and you'll be sure to make better trades. 4. Follow your picks. Once you have placed a few stock trades, you should be managing them properly. If the trade is meant to be a short-term trade, watch it closely for your exit signal. If it's a swing trade, watch for the indicators that tell you the trend is shifting. Remember to set weekly or monthly checkups on the stock if it's a long-term trade. Use this time to keep abreast of the news, determine your price targets, set stop losses, and keep an eye on other stocks that you may want to own as well. 5. The big picture, as the saying goes, all ships rise and fall with the tide. Knowing which sectors are heating stacks the chips in your favor. For example, if you are long expecting price to go up on an oil stock and most of the oil sector is rising, you are more likely than not to be on the right side of the trade. Several trading platforms will give you access to sector-wide information so that you can get the education you need. Thanks for watching.